Elbows up, folks. It's more than just a hockey move. It's becoming a rallying cry across Canada. And guess what? It all started with an unexpected twist, a response to President Donald Trump's tough talk on trade and sovereignty. But how did this phrase, inspired by a hockey legend, turn into a movement? Let's break it down.
Just want to say, elbows up, folks.
Elbows up.
We're keeping our elbows up, bud.
In response to Donald Trump's threats on our economy and sovereignty, the Elbows Up movement is catching fire online, inspired by...
It all kicked off when Canadian comedy icon MikeMyers, yes, the same guy behind Austin Powers, threw up his elbows and repeated the phrase during a skit on SNL. A simple moment, but one that caught fire across social media.
Elbows up!
It's elbows up time. We will never kiss the gangster's ring.
Within days, it became a full-blown movement. From everyday Canadians to high-ranking officials, people started using the phrase to push back against political pressure from the U.S., specifically President Trump's aggressive stance on Canadian trade. But here's the cool part. It wasn't just a random phrase. Elbows up goes way back to Canadian hockey legend Gordie Howe. If you know, you know. Gordie was a beast on the ice, known for scoring goals and, well, making sure his opponents felt his presence. A little nudge with the elbows here, a black eye there. Now, Canadians are embracing it as a symbol of standing their ground, just like Gordie did. Whether it's on the ice, in trade deals, or politics, elbows up means we're not backing down. Who knew a joke on SNL would turn into this? But here we are. Elbows up, Canada. Are you in? Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more. See you in the next one.